Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you another traditional gentleman's folder from Ryder. This is the model number RR2087. This is from the classic G10 line, and it is the folding hunter. Beautiful presentation like always from Ryder. So on a budget, and we'll give you all the nice things that you can expect with a higher-end knife. So this line was introduced back in 2020 if I'm not mistaken, with also the micarta line. So they keep the theme green, but with the G10 there is also a little bit of a brown. So like I mentioned, this is a slip joint, a traditional pattern called folding hunter. Folding hunter has always two blades, two large blades. Well, let me open it up. So you have nailing and long pull, which is always good to have two options right there. Okay, so let me give you the specifications right away. So we have a overall length of 23.5 centimeters, that is 9.25 inches. The blade one is a clip point, which is this one of course. Second one is a skinner edge. The clip point is, and also the skinner is 10 centimeters or 4 inches. The handle is 13.3 or 5.2 inches. The blade one has a thickness of width 2.2 centimeters, 0.86 inches. The width of the blade 2 is 1.6 centimeters or 0.6 inches. The thickness is both same on the stock. It is 2 millimeters or 0.0 inches. The handle thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.55 inches. Both of them are made out of 440A, which is standard for Ryder. If you are not getting the G10 or the Damascus variant, they have introduced in 2020. On this one, like I mentioned, we have scales. Consists of, you can see there, we have a one piece brown G10, and on the top we have an inlay of nice green G10 right there. So let's say you would not like the bead blasted finish that is put on them. You can definitely use some oil. I will simulate it with rubbing alcohol here, so you can achieve sheen, something in this darker shade. It is up to you if you like or not. Given that this is obviously a porous material, it could probably stain a little bit because it is bead blasted. So if you like and don't have spots of any kind of oil, then you can polish it up with a really beautiful shiny way. So quality wise, please keep in mind these are value or budget friendly knives, so definitely you will see some imperfections or little blemishes. Here you see a gap, here not, also here not, and here not also. So most Rough Rider knives will sport some kind of bone or maybe synthetic acrylic, and they will not have the possibility to adjust it. On this one, as you can see, you have first time screw construction. So even on the micarta series, there is no possibility to adjust this. So if you don't like them, I would probably suggest you can take them down and replace them with whatever you like. So a nice DIY project for your hobby time. So the backspacer is of course a spring made out of steel, and we have a brass liner separating the two steels in between. The half stop, both of them have at 19 degrees, have a nice positive click. Let me show you so there is no protrusion. It's definitely good made. So the tolerances are checked also on this one, so no snagging. The weight on this one is 131 gram or 4.6 ounces. We have no shield on the G10 series. They could probably incorporate one, but they choose not to. Don't know why. The billboarding or the description or the writing on the blade just sport the made in China model number 440 razor sharp steel, and we have stamped logo Rough Ryder on the bottom portion of the blade, which is the same, and we have no steel designation on the click point. Okay, so now let me give you a few size comparisons like I usually like to do. So let's start with something, let's start with a brother, which is model number 1507, which is a Lenght clip, also traditional gentleman's pocket knife. Then my favorite knife from case, this is the tribal lock with this navy blue jigged bone. Then I have here the Tucson TS187 fang tooth micarta, beautiful knife, micarta scales, and 390 blade steel. If we have a Rough Ryder on the table, I also like to show the comparison with probably one of my favorites and knives I carry from them, and that is the Peanut from the Brown Stack Bone line of knives. So there you see how large the knife is. Here is from Buck a toothpick, and now let's continue with something more modern. So I don't know, let's take out the Buck Sprint Pro. Buck Vantage Pro. A large Gractilian. A red Model 1. Spyderco Endura. Spyderco Delica. QSP Pelican. Cold Steel Recon 1 and clip point blade. So something maybe smaller. Here is a Delica, Kershaw Skyline. And and a small reptilian from Benchmade. Okay, so this was the folding hunter from the Rough Ryder G10 series. If you are looking for something this large with 2 blades, just not to bother with the resharpening and so on, then definitely go check it out. This is probably one of the newer lines from then, given they are sporting a G10 material on this one, and the pricing is around $19.99. That is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, which is also the distributor and also the owner of this brand. So I will put links down below. If you are from Europe, then you can also check out maybe Heine Haynes should have some, but yeah, they are in the UK, and if you would like to import something from UK, then you will have to pay a little bit more because of the VAT, because of the Brexit, of course. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But I will try to find more options where you can buy Rough Riders if you are from Europe, just because I have to find for myself one. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also stuff like unboxings of, I don't know, watches, books, and Warhammer stuff, so miniature painting and so on. So I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon.